Hello everyone, my name is Oliver from Lux Trading, and today I'm here with our newest live trader, Simon. Simon, congratulations to you on passing the evaluation stage. You have managed to trade through some quite volatile markets, but you did really well, as everybody can see on the screen right now. Welcome on the show.
Oh, thank you.
How are you doing today?
I'm going very well, thank you, Oliver.
Now that you have passed your evaluation, how has been your experience getting the refund of your initial fee?
Oh, straight away. Literally within the first 24 hours, I noticed it straight away. So, yeah, I put it through the dashboard. The application process was just very professional, and before I knew it, was straight into my account. So that was no problem.
Can you please tell me something about yourself? How did you get into trading, and what kind of trader are you?
I started trading. I developed an interest in stocks and share trading. S&P 500, my local index in Australia, the ASX 200. So I started the investment strategy, so using the fundamentals and so forth. Then I guess I fell in love with charts. So it was very much a slow process using weekly charts. And then for some reason I stumbled upon Forex trading. For some reason it just made so much sense to me. So I like the way that the movements developed with a lot of the pairs, and I just like the fact that it's a 24-hour market as well. So to answer your question about what sort of trader I am, I'd say I'm a swing trader. So I generally trade in the direction of the weekly trend, but I trade 4-hour charts.
Do you purely trade Forex nowadays?
Yes, for Lux, I'm just purely trading Forex, but with my own personal accounts, I trade indices, some metals, and stocks, but that's more of a long-time weekly chart that I trade stocks.
So far, how has been your experience with the evaluation stage? How would you rate it?
It's absolutely fantastic. I think, right from the start, the risk management strategy, it just makes so much sense to me. The whole goal that I found with Lux, it's a long-term strategy. It's not about a get rich quick in 4 weeks to prove yourself. You need to prove yourself over the series of months and a series of market trends. So look, I found it fantastic, and I had the opportunity of working through a different set of markets with Lux. But the risk management strategy of protecting your capital just made so much sense to me.
How did you experience the 4% drawdown level?
Not really, because it's quite similar to the way I trade my own system. Probably the only difference is my position size was slightly smaller with Lux, and the position size was absolute. So normally with my own system, as my account grows, it goes up relatively with the percentage, but I kept the position size absolute with Lux. So that's the only difference.
Thank you for those kind words, Simon. Do you have any advice that you would like to pass on to your fellow traders?
I'd suggest, have a system that works for you. So have a tried and true system, something you've back tested over a series of markets. That's probably the first suggestion. The second one is absolutely protect your capital. So be mindful of your position size per trade. The goal is not to try and see who can run the fastest. It's really a long-term strategy. So what you want to do is protect your capital, and anything that comes through as a bonus with wins is just the icing on the cake. But yeah, if you can look after your money, the rewards will come through.
I agree. It's absolutely crucial to first not lose capital and then to think about profits. Why did you choose Lux Trading Firm as your prop trading firm?
I think some of it we've covered already. To start with, I wanted to trade with a firm that has a long-term strategy, not about making money quickly, about looking after your capital. And then, naturally I jumped onto YouTube and saw some recommendations. Lux was sort of up the top, around the top of the list with a lot of them, and also made sense to me with the nature of the organisation and the way it trades. And then I jumped on the website. It just made sense to me. And I noticed with the risk management strategy, it's quite similar to what I did. So it was just a natural progression for me.
How do you feel about moving to the life stages? Are you nervous?
Not really. I'm basically sticking to the same plan I've got already. So look, I'm treating it as an extension of what I've done already. I've proven I can do it, but it's just a case of being able to do it again. And as long as I stick to my risk management strategy and my system, and hopefully the results should come through.
Based on your overall experience, would you recommend Lux Trading to others?
Oh, absolutely. It's very professional, and I haven't had that much experience with prop firm trading, so this is really my first exposure to it. And Look, right from the start, firstly with the customer service, I had quite a few questions, and the response was within the first 24 hours. Secondly, the information provided on the website was fantastic, made so much sense. It was very clear, and probably the third thing is the dashboard. It was fantastic. I'm very much a data-oriented person. I love my statistics with trading, and the dashboard, it's second to none. It provides those statistics that I need. So rather than just purely an equity curve and win-loss ratio and the positive expectancy, it provides so much more than that I was able to look into.
What do you appreciate most about the dashboard?
Well, look, I'm very much, I love the positive expectancy, but look, I like seeing the charts that show the average position size, and then sometimes you can have a look through each of your trades and see, maybe if something was an outlier, whether maybe you took a position size that was too big. I know I certainly took one which was slightly too big, and I was able to go through and just see it was an error. And I actually didn't realise back at the time that it was an error, but I was able to see that I did do that. So I need to be more vigilant with looking after my position sizing. I think also just seeing which pairs I had success with, and you can see, the average wins you have with each of the pairs, your win rates, and basically you can just see the survival facts with your trading as well. So, your probability of risk of ruin, and then obviously on the equity curve, you can see the drawdown that's tracking up along with the equity curve as well. I think that's really good too.
Thank you for joining the interview, Simon. I wish you a wonderful day.
Oh, thank you so much, and thank you so much for the opportunity, Oliver.
Thank you, Simon. And for anyone else, if you have any more questions about Lux Trading, leave them down in the comment section, or you can contact us on our 24/7 live chat, or send us an email at info@luxtradingfirm.com. My name's been Oliver, and I wish you all a successful day trading.